Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, let's take a look again at cryptocurrencies. So you can see that Bitcoin has made a historical breakout recently, just in a few sessions ago, and was out on a free space above the previous top. In general, the whole year that we talked about this consolidation, we talked that it's bullish, and it's only the question of time and driving factors that could actually push the Bitcoin higher. So on the longer term charts, it goes absolutely in accordance with our plan. We have big ABCD, our target is 85. It's actually consistent, very close. Taking into consideration of the acceleration of the price, it doesn't mean that market will stop here. The next target will be probably the kind of the ABCD 1618 extension. The XOP also, as additional targets, you could use extensions of the big retracement. So for instance, you could measure this, downside action, and it also will give you some targets. So one of them is already stands right here. It stands on the weekly chart as well. It's actually 83.50. It's nearest 127 extension, this downside action. So if you draw here as a butterfly, this price action is a butterfly, that will be the first extension target. Next one will be already around 101, 102 area, 102,000 right there. So this will be nearest standing targets for a Bitcoin perspective. Those of you guys who read our recent report that we have prepared just a week ago, you could find it in here in the section of the blogs. So you could go to my blog here, and this is most recent report. And if you have read the conclusion, this hasn't become the surprise for you what you see on the Bitcoin market. So because we have brought very interesting facts on recent changes in the Bitcoin market that doesn't relate to the price fluctuation, some banking forecasts on the perspective. They are mostly strategical. And the things that is going on around the market led us to conclude that Bitcoin actually is not the common market anymore. This is the big tool in the hands of the United States government. We suggest, it's our opinion, that the pumping process is just started. So Bitcoin should move significantly higher. If you read at least the conclusion of this report, you will see what I'm talking about. And actually, this was not only in October, we talked about in the previous few months as well about this. So from that standpoint of view, the rally, absolutely not surprising. That's what about the long-term picture. On lower time frames, take a look what we have on the weekly. That's another minor target here. It stands very close to the big monthly target, just 3,000 difference. And next one will be 88.80 approximately. It's also accompanied with the weekly overbought area. So the 88 is actually the same target that we have here, 85. So it's a very small difference, and probably they will be reached in the same moment. This is, as you understand, really very big target. And as a rule, in such a big target, it's an almost historical target, as you could say, all-time OP. And as a rule, market shows the respect to these targets, whatever it will be. But if even it will be just the 30% retracement, so should be very important. So retesting, for example, of the previous top around 70 even, this might be a really big pullback, so we could watch for. So our market is coming close to the very important targets. We manage them around 85, 88. And you should keep an eye on and be prepared that pullback could start. So we just warn you that this market stands very close to the important level, and it will be like the strong resistance area. Now going down to the daily chart, here we do not have any surprises. So market was overextended here, and we said let's take a look, maybe some minor pullback or retesting of the trend line will happen. But this was right in a row with the moment of the Donald Trump has won on the elections. And you can see that actually this was just minor sideways action. Market jumped right back up to the next overbought areas, right now around 81, 82. So the target that we had here around 78 also has been completed, they're exceeded. And now what we could consider, if pullback will start before market will reach these important targets, as we talked about, some reaction maybe on this target on the weekly chart, we could watch for just retesting of the previous top in the 73 area. Besides, on the daily chart, you can see that 73 is accompanied with the daily oversold. And that's why we're not considering currently this 67, 68 support. Probably the oversold together with this support area should be enough to hold market if retracement will start. So on the daily chart, it seems as interesting area to consider possible position taking. On lower time frames, you could see that this 73 is actually the confluence on the follow time frame chart. So it's not just a single standing level. So also keep an eye on. About the bearish positions, personally, I wouldn't consider it right now. And actually, if you take a look at the lower time frames, you could see that we don't have any bearish patterns or something. So it's market just has reached this target, and it's not clear yet whether this will be some reaction or not, and what reaction will be. So currently, market hasn't formed anything. As you can see, the free drive that the 222 that we discussed last time worked really nice. So market completed this ABCD pattern and upward action immediately started. So that's our view on the Bitcoin market. Currently, we're not considering taking any shorts. If market will start pullback prior reaching of the 85, 88 target area, we could watch for level around 73 as retesting of the previous top as a potential interesting for taking the long position. If market keep going higher right to the 85, 88 area and will reach it first, in this case we should not hurry up with taking new longs because pullback might be more extended. So that in towards what we have on the cryptocurrencies.